Growing up in Des Moines, I spent a lot of time at the Franklin Junior High building. I was there almost every day for over a decade. I love that building. I really, really love the houses around the neighborhood, mostly the Beaverdale area. The brick houses, the beautiful woodwork, many craftsman-style and four-square houses. I had a sweet friend named Jennifer. We went to youth group together for many, many years, and her home was so pretty. French doors going into the sunroom, wood floors, deep wood trim, brass doorknobs, leaded windows, and of course the stained glass. This house set the bar high for me. There's something so familiar, comforting, and calming about these homes. I'm drawn to them, and I love sharing the beautiful details.